Hello, this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in OCALA. The phone number here to the dealership is 352-694-1234. I'm taking a quick moment to highlight a recent arrival, and it's not had a wash rag put on it, but man is it nice. Here we have a vehicle that we just acquired from a local retiree. It's a 2010 Mercury Mariner. It has a clean CARFAX. It's a 2010 with less than 100,000 miles on it. I believe it has 28 service records in the CARFAX, smoke-free cabin, and the retiree was just going to one vehicle, and this was an extra one that they had at the house, but it's in a very, very nice condition. As you can see, the body, and we will certainly do a safety inspection and an oil change, check the brakes, and clean it. But it has cold air conditioning, smoke-free cabin. It would make a great extra vehicle for the family. Like I said, a clean CARFAX. And if you actually are an RVer and you need to tow, this one at some point in life had been set up so that you could, it's already had that little option there. I think it's probably between $1,500 and $2,500 to set something up to tow behind your RV, but this one's already had that done. 2010 Mariner, clean CARFAX. Driven about 8,000 miles a year, 28 service records. This is Chris at Prestige. We're at 2261 Southwest College Road in OCALA. We buy nice cars, but not to keep. We'll see you at the store.